How to add citations and references to Word document. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can add citations and references to Word document. So let's just get started with the video and see how to do it. So for that, you can directly head over to your Word document in which you want to add citation and references. After that is done, at the top you will be finding this option called references. You can just head over there, and when you head over there you'll be finding bibliography and insert citation option. So all you need to do is head over to the part of document where you want to insert the citation to. After you have located that, you can go ahead and select up the style. Make sure of which style you want to prefer. There are different styles available. For now, I'm using this first one option. And after that is done, you need to go to insert citation and then go ahead and tap on this add new source option. After that, this form opens up on your screen. So you can use type of source, like different options are available, book in different sections. So you can just go ahead and drop it down and use up this option in order to make it, for example, a website, which is easiest. After that, you need to place the author name of that website. Just basically fill out this form and enter the date as well, your month, the URL as well if you prefer. And after that is done, go ahead and click on OK. And once that is done, it will be placed here. So from here, this section, after it is done, in order to do other things, in order to add references, and the bottom, you can usually go to the bottom and choose bibliography. And when you do that, you will be getting these options on your screen. So from here, just go ahead and choose the one that you prefer. For example, references. And when you do that, it will be right below your Word document. So that is it. This is basically how you add citation and references to Word document. So thank you for watching this video.